So protein synthesis is the what of DNA? No, the job. Yes. So DNA makes protein, and actually, I'm glad you said the replication. DNA replication is one topic in this class, okay? Protein synthesis is another. They have a lot of relatedness, but they're different. DNA replicates, why?
To create more cells.
To create more cells with genetic information inside of them. End of story. Because they are the command of the cell, and every function of the cell is found there. DNA also makes protein. And the first part of that process is similar to replication, but it's a different thing. So when your cell replicates, it produces a new cell with DNA, but the cell is constantly making protein because DNA tells it to. So who helps DNA make protein? We talked about this when we studied the actual cell. RNA and ribosomes. Awesome. So RNA, which we haven't even talked about yet, and ribosomes, excuse me, actually help the cell make protein. And we know that, well, we don't know, but RNA stands for what? Ribonucleic acid. So think about the name, and automatically the name should guide you in a couple of differences. And we're going to talk about the differences between DNA and RNA. And all my DNAs are purple and my RNAs are red. So hopefully that visual will help you. And I'm going to tell you right now that the word or the letter D for DNA actually helps you with some of the differences. So DNA is double-stranded. So let's underline D for DNA, D for double-stranded, right? How is RNA? Look at the picture. Single-stranded. So RNA doesn't have a corresponding side, okay? DNA's bases, we know, are C, G, A, and T, right? RNA's bases are C, G, A, no T. Instead of T, we have U, okay? Remember yesterday when I showed you the animation and U came in? That's because U is attracted to adenine, but U is actually a nucleotide of RNA and not DNA. So RNA does not have any T's, it has U's. DNA sugar, D for DNA, D for deoxyribose. What's RNA sugar? Ribose. As we know, DNA never leaves the nucleus, but RNA does. And that's the end of their differences. There's 3 types of RNA, but they're all RNA. The reason there's types is because their function makes them a type of RNA, okay? They're the same strand, they look the same, they just perform a different function. And RNA, so you know, is made from DNA. And I'm going to show you that tomorrow, the process. We have a type of RNA that's called mRNA. Anybody know what that stands for? Messenger. So messenger RNA actually takes the message to the ribosomes. Where did it get the message from? DNA, which is in the nucleus. So DNA is a code of information. That code generates a strand of RNA called messenger RNA, which holds the message to make proteins. rRNA, anybody know what that one stands for? Ribosomal. Composes the ribosomes. And then we've got tRNA. Anybody know what that one stands for? Transfer RNA, which actually transfers in each amino acid to the mRNA strand to form protein.